What if I told you that luxury doesn't have to mean massive? Meet the Lexus LBX, the smallest SUV Lexus has ever made, and it might just be the smartest luxury purchase you'll make this year. Hey everyone, I'm here taking a close look at Lexus's newest compact crossover, and honestly, I'm blown away by how much premium experience they've crammed into this little package. First things first, this thing looks incredible. That bold spindle grille and razor-sharp LED headlights give it serious road presence despite being just over 4 meters long. You'd never guess this is Lexus's entry-level SUV from the outside. Now, the powertrain is where things get really clever. This 1.5-liter hybrid setup produces 136 horsepower, which sounds modest on paper. But here's the thing. Around town, that electric motor gives you instant torque that makes city driving effortless. And the fuel economy? We're talking real-world numbers approaching 60 miles per gallon. That's hybrid efficiency in a luxury package. But here's where it gets really interesting. Step inside, and you're hit with an interior that feels like it belongs in a car twice the price. Soft touch materials everywhere, genuine Alcantara upholstery on higher trims, and build quality that puts most competitors to shame. The door closes with that satisfying thunk that screams premium engineering. And can we talk about how Lexus finally fixed their infotainment? This 9.8-inch touchscreen is actually intuitive to use. No more confusing trackpads or laggy interfaces. Apple CarPlay connects wirelessly and the whole system feels modern and responsive. Let's be honest about space, though. Front passengers get plenty of room, but if you're tall and sitting in the back, you might feel a bit cozy. The cargo area offers 402 liters, which is decent for daily needs but not class-leading. Here's what really sets it apart. Lexus reliability. Their track record is legendary, and you can extend the warranty up to 10 years by servicing at Lexus dealers. That's peace of mind you simply can't get elsewhere. Starting around $30,000, the LBX isn't cheap, but when you consider the premium materials, hybrid efficiency, and bulletproof reliability, it starts making serious sense. This isn't just a small SUV, it's a luxury experience that happens to come in a compact package. The question is, would you choose luxury over space? This little Lexus makes that decision surprisingly easy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.